Hello, my name is Quinn Seagraves and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. Today we're going to be walking through a Crest Classic 200 standard fish. This one is going to be optioned with our 4 fishing seat option. You will have nice rod storage up top, little bait storage, and a nice little compartment to put some of your tackle boxes and stuff. You'll have USB ports to both sides and a USB opening. On the back of this boat, you will have a nice lounger here for up to 3 people, and then a nice L shape here in the back that could fit an additional 4. This boat is rated up to 10 people and have normal pontoon boat amenities like the deep storage here, with the addition of a live well with a recirculation pole. The dash of this boat is going to be nice and simple and set up to fish, so you will have the live well fill right here on your dash. You'll have accessories that you can plug into, a low range dash, hour meter, and then your throttle. On the back here, you will have a built-in scale that goes up to 25 inches. Nice storage up underneath. Your other 2 fishing chairs with some rod storage, battery access right back here, and then up top you will have your 2 built-in tackle boxes. This boat is available here at MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. It is on the water, so if you want to come see this boat, please give us a call down below.